Hi, my name is Tad. I'm from a company called TFix, and I wanted to quickly introduce and explain what we are, what we do, and how we do it. So TFix is a company in tech sustainability. We specialize in IT asset disposition, as well as electronic waste, recycling services, and asset recovery. We committed to extending the life cycle of electronic devices while still ensuring data security and environmental compliances are met. As we are located in South London, we provide convenient collection services for your obsolete and old electronics throughout south of London. And actually, if you are within 6 miles from our location and have at least 10 PCs or laptops, we'll arrange for that to be collected free of charge. Our transportation is completely secure, and when the equipment arrives on our facilities, where we decommission, refurbish and recycle the equipment in compliance with all the data security and environmental regulations. So we provide completely secure data destruction services, which is certified, and every single device that has any kind of data on it is completely wiped, and we provide this certification after the procedure has been finished. TFix operates a 0% landfill policy. We focus on refurbishing and remarketing the equipment, which means it's not going to landfill, and it allows you to meet your environmental goals. For the equipment that we cannot remarket and resell, it gets separated into raw materials and sent to refineries for it to be used into remanufacturing and other equipment. We provide detailed reports on the way we process the equipment, which helps you with your carbon footprint offset, and it sort of like transforms your obsolete electronics into valuable assets, reduces waste, increases sustainability, and enhances your brand's customer satisfaction. Yep, so if you're interested in more on what we do, you're welcome to go on our website, tfix.co.uk, for more information and even maybe schedule a collection. Thank you.